Mugabe sued over $29,000 rent arrears. Former President Robert Mugabe's family business, Alpha Omega Dairy, Private, Limited, has been taken to court by a local property consultancy firm, Legal Investments, Private, Limited, over a $29,000 rental debt at its rented premises in Harare's Southerton industrial area. According to summons issued last Friday, Legal Investments, through its representative, Dawn Property Consultancy, cited Mugabe's firm Alpha Omega Dairy, two senior employees Stanley Harare and Joseph Zimbabwe as respondents. The Mugabes are yet to enter appearance to defend the case. According to court papers, Harare and Zimbabwe allegedly signed a deed suretyship binding themselves as co-principal debtors to pay $442 every month for the former First Family's business. On October 11, 2012, the plaintiff, Legal Investments, and the first defendant, Alpha Omega Dairy, entered into a lease agreement. The terms of the agreement of the lease were inter alia that the first defendant would lease from the plaintiff immovable property known as stand number 3246 Salisbury Township, 30 Simon Mays Rods Road, Southerton, Harare, Zimbabwe, the firm said in its declaration. In addition to the basic monthly rental, first defendant would pay a monthly sum towards operating costs of the property. According to the terms of the lease, monthly rentals were supposed to be paid in advance to Dawn Property Consultancy, free of exchange and bank charges and without deduction whatsoever on or before the first day of every month. But Mugabe's family business allegedly failed to meet its contractual obligation, prompting the consultancy firm to approach the court for recourse. In compliance with the agreement, plaintiff gave vacant possession of the property to the defendant, which property first defendant remains in occupation of. In breach of the agreement, however, first defendant failed, refused and/or neglected to pay monthly rentals and operating costs timeously, and to that end is in arrears to the plaintiff of the sum of $29,134.22, the firm said. The consultancy firm is now seeking to recover the full amount owed and wants Mugabe's company evicted from the property.